In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted page in WordPress. If you've accidentally removed a page from your website, don't worry. In many cases, WordPress makes it easy to recover it, as long as the page is still in the trash and hasn't been permanently deleted. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get that page back in just a few moments. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard and make sure you're logged in. This is the main admin area where you manage your website content, including posts, pages, media, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu. From that menu, click on Pages. This section shows all the pages that exist on your site, such as your home page, about page, contact page, or any custom pages you've created. Since we're trying to recover something that was deleted, we won't be looking in the main published list right away. At the top of the pages screen, click on Trash. The trash is where WordPress temporarily stores deleted pages before they are permanently removed. Think of it like a recycle bin. This is useful because it gives you a chance to restore content if something was deleted by mistake. Once you're in the trash view, find the page you want to recover and select it. Take a moment here to confirm that it's the correct page, especially if you have multiple deleted pages with similar names. Being careful at this stage can help you avoid restoring the wrong item. After you've found the right page, click on Restore. As soon as you do that, WordPress will move the page out of the trash and return it to your main pages list. That means it's available again in your site's backend, and you can open it, review it, and publish or update it if needed. A helpful tip here is to check the restored page afterward to make sure everything looks the way you expect. In most cases, the content comes back normally, but it's always a good idea to verify things like the title, page layout, featured image, and any important settings. And that's it. That's how to restore a deleted page in WordPress. It's a simple process, but knowing where to look can save you time and prevent unnecessary stress. If the page is still in the trash, you can usually recover it in just a few clicks.